Here we go, YouTubers. This is one of my best pumpkin pie recipes ever. If you check out the playlist on my YouTube channel, you'll find one for desserts and baking. This pumpkin pie full video and easy recipe will be right there. You can also find the easy recipe I have for how to make pie crust. I'm just simply trimming away the edges. The excess pie crust goes great for mini pie tarts, so certainly don't throw that away. You can keep that and use that. We'll set it aside and then just go ahead and poke some holes in that pie crust to allow it to breathe. Right here, I'm just pinching the edges of that pie crust to make it a little bit fancier. Do me a favor as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video and share it to your friends, and here comes that pumpkin pie filling. Again, be sure to check out the full video and you can learn how to make your best pumpkin pie recipe. This is so yummy, I probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna eat it all. I know it's gonna be the best pumpkin pie tart I'm having today.